say yeah.
To board the aircraft carrier?
Say again, please.
You want permission to board?
Oh, carry on. Permission.
Do you want to
request permission to get on board.
Permission granted.
Oh, carry on, Gian.
That one right there, that little car.
Yeah, I see.
All right, brother, here we go, man.
There we're going on board, right? Look at that shit. Look at that. There we go.
Oh, man.
There we go.
54 going on to USS Lexington.
That's right.
Here we go.
Put some lights on. I think that would help a little bit.
There we go, brother. Now we can see. Oh, wow, look at this. Once in a lifetime event.
Yes, sir. Even request permission. Take a little while.
Corpus Christi, baby. Okay, we're gonna hang it right. Oh, you got it. Here we go. Man, look at that elevator's big. How many, man, he was putting like 10 or 20 cars on there, man. That's the end right there. That's the elevator right there. See that sticking out?
Yep.
Yeah, I was timing it from loading to unloading back down. It took about 8 minutes for all those cars. Man, this is a beautiful view. City. Man, there's somebody walking on there.
Where? The water?
Yeah, the jetties are right there. See the flashlight?
Yep.
We'll be floundering.
That frac jet that you ran into last night.
Yeah. I'm gonna get off for a second. I'm gonna see if I can film the elevator, man. Oh, I can't grab the camera with my hand. I'm gonna try it. Okay. I don't know if they'll. You think they'll say anything if I get out? They might say something. I just stay right here. Here it comes, coming down, Mo. The elevator's coming down. Unbelievable, man. And the whole time I walked across that thing, I did not know that was the elevator, man. Man, that bridge is real nice tonight. I love the lights they got on that thing. Alright, here we go. We're getting on to Lexington.
What do you say?
Out behind the red car. Closest you can. The closest behind you can. Oh, okay. Here we go. Whoa, look at this. Look at this. And see that plane straight in front of us, Mo? Guess whose airplane that is?
George Bush.
George Bush.
All right, man, let's take off.
All right.
It's gonna be the best ride right here.
Yes, sir. This is the best part of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on each row. I mean, they're getting 12 cars on here at a time. I've only counted 2 rows. it right here, huh? What do you think about this, bro? You ready?
Oh, it's outstanding. Let's go. I'm ready to go.
Hold it. We need to hook this thing up to the catapult.
What do you say?
I don't know. What do you say?
I think that one was just barking too much. They couldn't communicate.
Oh. Yeah, they're getting 2 rolls, and they're getting 12 cars at a time. To your left. To your left is the chow hall. To your left. You go around the corner. The chow hall over there.
Okay.
How many cars? 300, he said?
We'll find out as soon as we get to the deck, man.
At $200 a car?
That's already 306, 600,000. 60,000? No, 1240, so that's 60,000.
Not counting ticket sales.
That Batmobile's coming on board.
Here comes the Batmobile.
Oh, yeah. You see it? Batmobile just pulled up behind us. Check that out, Bo. Oh, man. That is cool. All right. We ready? I think we're fixing to go up, Mo.
Yeah, I want to go up because I'm looking at that. I'm never ahead of that high.
Just shut it off.
I'm ready to shut it off. I'll wait till we get out there and then I'll shut it off.
Well, we made it on the flight deck. This was, I'm gonna put it on the YouTube, that way it'll become out clear.
Oh man, this is like incredible.
Look at this, man. Oh,
I got an out. Oh, this is nice. Look at this.
yeah.
We got an outside one.
Oh, yeah. Where we going? Where we going? Oh, look at that.
Next to the Blue Angel.
Yeah, all right. Outstanding, man.
Is that it? I'm gonna shut it off.
Let me see if I can get out without destroying this.
Hang on. Stand by, brother. Watch it.
Oh, yeah, I was just trying to grip all my stuff, man. Oh, God. Oh, no, I'm going to take this with me. And here we are. Look where we got our spot at. Amazing. And here comes the Batmobile right behind us. We'll come back for part 2 and later on. Have a good day.